What's going on, you guys? I've got an aftermarket set of wheels on my 1990 Chevy K1500 truck. I believe they're a Fuel brand. The issue is the inner diameter, from here to here is quite a bit larger than the stock diameter here to here. Even though the lug pattern, fits fine, but on aftermarket wheels, sometimes they don't fit flush around the hub right there, and that can be a minor issue as far as drivability and whatnot. So what you have to get is a set of what's called hub-centric rings, and you basically take your measurement, get you some calipers or whatever. You need to measure the outer diameter from there to there, as well as the inner diameter of your rim, from here to here. And they make all sorts of different sizes, and they basically look like this. So once they're, let's imagine the wheel is installed, it'll look like that basically, and it sits nice and firmly on the hub, and then the wheel, inner diameter of the wheel will fit, right around in there. And you see it's got a little edge to it right there. It keeps it nice and flush on the brake disc there. The brand I got here is called Circuit Performance. There's all kinds of different brands that offer this. But the kicker is you have to measure your own application to see exactly which one you need, because they make some for all different sizes of aftermarket wheels to fit particular OEM hubs. Alright, so let's put this back on the stand here. So let's say we're going to put this wheel on. We turn it around backwards, and the flange part will be outward, of course, and it will sit nice and flush on the inner part of your wheel there. Okay, and some people may need to tap on it a little bit to make it fit even more snug, but this one fits perfectly, and it's just going to give it more surface for the wheel to actually rest on the hub down there instead of resting only on the lug nuts or the lugs, if that makes sense. So it gives a better, it's a better stability, better support for the wheel on the hub. And if you compare, say here's it already installed without those rings. Notice that gap down in there. It's pretty substantial. So that means all the weight of the truck is only resting on the lugs itself. And sure, it might work, but it's not good enough, especially for a heavy vehicle like this. So here they are already installed. Notice how it fills up that gap right there, and it basically lets the wheel sit right on the edge of the hub itself. So a lot better support. And I had never installed these before on any vehicle, so I have them on this truck now, and it should help out its stability, drivability, possibly eliminate any vibration you may have. Okay. So, they have these all over eBay and whatnot, but the trick is to make sure you measure your application correctly, and then that's what you'll search for in millimeters, what size ring you actually need. Okay. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of projects regarding this truck, regarding Ford Mustangs, regarding motorcycles, dirt bikes, Harleys, old Buick Skylarks, around the house stuff. So check us out. We're always posting something. We'll see you.